This is Mark the Meerkat with freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade. Let me ask you a question here. What would it be like if you knew exactly what group of stocks to be trying to trade, exactly to the penny where to get in on those trades, and where to set your initial stop with confidence and courage? Well, I'll tell you how you could get that trading education at the end of this video. But for now, let's take a look here at a trade that we had in the GrokStar room this morning, and it was on UVXY. Today in the GrokStar room, we had what we call a lesson day, where I had my charts open all day, so that's why I am in simulated trading here. But let me just show you one of the trades that we had today. It was in a symmetrical triangle, and again, you want to know more about that, go to our free chart school at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. So I set a trade right down here, and I was going to let the market come to me. And we set our trade, and bam, there it goes. It fell down here, and I am now short at $24.85 on UVXY. And now we're going to go ahead and set our stop just above the $25 area. And let's see what happened next. Bam, 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 bam. And now it's low basing down here. Now we're already in it. We've been moving our stop, and our stop is now in the money here with the above the 8 EMA, which this is honoring right now, and above this 2470 area, but I have zero risk in the trade. Love it when that happens. So let's see what happened next. Bamity bam bam. Now it's down at this pivot line down here, and it's coming down, and it's bouncing off of that. Bring our stop down here just above where this resistance line is, and this 20 moving average, again, to protect our stop. So it moves down here. I'll tell you what, now I have zero risk in my trade. So if this breaks this pivot line on a bear pullback, I'm going to set an order here to go ahead and take on a second lot size. And so let's do that. I'm going to set that as a stop limit order. If it breaks down there, I want to be in. And bam, look at that. It broke down, and now I'm short a second half of it at $24.21. So I am now short the double lot size, bringing my stop down here to the 21.40 area. And so I have a 0.5% stop on one position, and I'm way in the money on the other half of the position. And let's see what happens next. It dips down. It dips all the way down to here. So now I'm bringing my stop right down here to break even for the second trade, and I have, I'm way in the money here on the first trade. Let's see what happens. Boom, there it goes. Oh, well, and look at the volume. Look at the volume kick in. Yep, that popped right up and stopped us out. Break even on the second trade, but on the first trade, it was for 2.6% in 38 minutes. Hoo-ah, love it when that happens. We had the opportunity here to make double the money on the way down without increasing any of our risks. So it didn't turn out for the second half of the trade, but it was break even. No harm, no foul. Well, I talked to you about what would it be like if you knew exactly to the penny where to enter a trade, exactly to the penny where to put your initial stop, and how to trade with confidence on a group of stocks. Well, you can do that. That's just one of the things that we teach in our mentoring program. And if you want to know more about that, just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com, and go to training mentoring. And we do have a mentorship coming up here. There'll be one online in April and another one coming up in Las Vegas in May. So if you'd like to talk about the opportunity that might be for you, right here is what you would get. You'd start off with 3 days of intense training, and then you get ongoing coaching and mentoring from this point forward, no additional charge. We also give you some tools to track your trading. You get access to the V newsletter 1 year for free. But again, the most important part is not only do you get an education, but you get ongoing coaching after that. If you're interested in that, fill out this area right here, and either Carolina or D7 will give you a call, and just to see if it's appropriate for you to be in our mentoring program. And if you're still not convinced, you can read about it here, or you can go down here and there's some unedited testimonials of people who've been in it, and then there's some edited ones down here, just a little more polished. But if you'd like any more information, again, fill out this form and submit. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffer, and hey, happy Easter to all our Christian friends out there, and may you trade well.